Okay, so for today, we're going to discuss the factor theorem. So yung factor theorem class ay may kinalaman about the remainder theorem kasi gagamitin din natin yung procedure or yung process na ginamit natin doon sa remainder theorem, which is substitution. So yun pa rin yung process natin. Now, so in this case nga lang class, when we are talking about the factor theorem, ganito lang siya. So, once nasa dulo, yung may makuha tayo ng remainder, which is, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, o kaya naman ay negative 1, negative 2, and so on, basta hindi siya mag-equal to 0, so hindi siya factor. But once na nag-0 yung remainder natin dito, therefore, yung divisor natin is a factor of that dividend. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi ng factor theorem. Now, so let us try to discuss yung dalawa nating examples dito. Now, so let's start with the first one. So, we have here x squared plus 2x plus 5 and yung divisor natin is x minus 1. So, what are we going to do is, let us try to identify if yung x minus 1 ba is a factor of this polynomial. Now, so what are we going to do? The same process as the remainder theorem. We equate this divisor to 0. So, x minus 1 equals 0. It will become positive 1. So, x is now equal to positive 1. Then, we substitute. So, this will become 1 squared plus 2. X will become 1. So, 2 times 1 plus 5. So, 1 squared is 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. Bring down 5. So, 1 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now, so in this case, kung makikita natin, may remainder siya na 8. So, ibig sabihin, hindi factor yung x minus 1 ng x squared plus 2x plus 5 using the factor theorem. Now, so let's have the second example. So, for the second one, so we have here x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4. Then, we're going to look if x minus 2 ba is a factor of this polynomial. Let's start. So, x will now be positive 2. We substitute 2 cubed minus x is 2 squared minus 4. X will now be 2 times 2 plus 4. So, 2 cubes is 2 times 2 times 2. So, that is 8. Minus 4, 2 squared is 4. Minus 4 times 2. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Bring down 4. Now, so, ang ginagawa ko dito class is I combined first yung lahat ng positive. Tapos, kino-combine ko din yung lahat ng negative. So, ang positive dito ay positive 8. At saka positive 4. So, pagpaplasin ko lang sila ng dalawa. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So, we have here 12. Next, sinunod ko naman yung dalawang negative na number. So, we have here negative 4 plus negative 8. So, that is negative 12. Tapos, tsaka ko sila isi-simplify. So, 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, so since in this case, class, ang remainder natin is 0. Therefore, we can say that yung x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4.